Welcome to your Spring Tablescape Challenge 23 invite, where your host is myself, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on a Budget, and my co-host is Lisa from At Home with Lisa. Now the title of this collaboration is Spring Tablescape Challenge 23. We have simple rules. We ask that you decorate your table for spring, follow the proper protocol for collaborations, mention both hosts in your video and in your description box. Use the hashtag SpringTablescape23, and the twist this time is you must include a butterfly. Now the date for this challenge will be March 24th, and the time will be 5 p.m. Central Standard or 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you have any questions regarding this collaboration, feel free to leave them down below, and I will answer them at my earliest convenience. And as always, I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.